Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you this winter wonderland makeup look since it is officially winter, so I hope you enjoy. And also, sorry about my voice, I am a little sick, so just bear with me. So you guys know I love to start out with my base already, and all products are listed down below. Next, I'm taking my concealer and placing it all over my eyelid with my finger so I can have a nice sticky base for the shadows. And with a big fluffy brush, I'm just setting that with the lightest shade in my BH Cosmetics contour palette. I will be using tape, so when I use tape, I like to first place it on the back of my hand to take off a little bit of that stickiness, and then I go ahead and place it on my eye. Going in with my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, I'm taking the dark blue shade on my e.l.f. blending brush, and I'm applying this to my crease. I'm making sure I focus it to the outer parts first, and then I'm bringing it in and I'm blending it with the extra product that's on up towards the eyebrow. Then with the smaller blending brush, I'm taking the light blue shade and I'm placing that right on top of the dark blue that I just placed. I'm taking this shade really high up towards the eyebrow, and I'm also using this shade to really blend that dark blue. And then I will be cutting my crease about 2/3 of the way with my concealer. And with the same concealer brush, then I'm taking my NYX single shadow in whipped cream and placing that white right on top of where I have my concealer. Next, taking a flat brush and taking the first dark blue shade that I used and placing this into the outer parts of the eye and blending it into that white to give it a nice blend. Then I'm taking my Carli Bybel palette for the white highlight shade, and I'm placing plenty of that onto the brow bone and inner corner as well. And I'm placing more highlight in my inner corner than I usually would because I really want it to be bright and I want it to be more wintry. And also I decided to take that a little bit further down onto my eye. And then I can finally go ahead and take off the tapes and look at how clean and sharp that line looks. And then I'm taking the same flat brush and the dark blue that I used earlier for my lower lash line. I take the blue from the outer part of my eye and drag it towards the inner part of my eye. And then also I'm taking the lighter blue shade and I put that into the inner part of my eye first and drag it towards the outer part. I'm also done baking, so I go ahead and wipe that off. And after that, I take the same white highlight shade that I used for my eyes onto my cheekbones. And I'm putting plenty of that on. I really want to look very nice and highlighty. And then also, I don't usually do this, but I also added some to the top of my eyebrow and, well, as usual, my cupid's bow, but also down the bridge of my nose and the tip of my nose. I also went ahead and added a wing to my eye, a very small wing. I didn't do it as long as I usually did, but I feel like I still needed a wing in there. And after that, I went ahead and curled my eyelashes and added a very light layer of mascara to my top and bottom lashes. And taking the NYX white liquid eyeliner for the snowflakes. For the snowflakes, I did one small one and then a bigger one, but I used the same method. I first drawn like a cross, and then I went ahead and did an X, and then just added some details to the ends of it. They didn't come out perfect, but I tried my best, and yeah, that's how it came out. And right on top of the snowflakes, I used the NYX Liquid Crystal Body Liner in Crystal Hip just to add some sparkle. I really wanted to make it pop. And then I added Falsies. I'm using I Am Lashes, and mine are in the style Slay. And And then lastly, finally, our lips. After I moisturized, I went ahead and first applied the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Cairo to give me a nice nude base. And right on top of that, I used the NYX Duo Chromatic Shimmer Lip Gloss in Crushing It. That was all for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed. It was lots of fun and I really liked how it turned out. Give this video a like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you are not yet, and I'll talk to you guys soon.